everybody, welcome back to Miriam Ka's channel. So tonight we are here in Juhu Beach, and this is a famous destination here in Mumbai for a lot of street food, and we are super excited to be here. We are ready to try some street food right now, and just a little disclaimer, we are vegan, so everything that we will be tasting today is hopefully going to be vegan unless we've been told wrong. So nothing that has cheese, nothing that has meat, pure vegetarian, no eggs and stuff like that. So just a disclaimer. So the street food is just behind me. We're going to go in right now, and literally a second ago we had our starter. It was a corn cob.
So we come across a corn cob cooked Indian way under, as you've seen, coals and fire. It had options: salt, pepper, lemon, chili or medium. I just went medium with the salt and pepper. As you can see, it's nicely char grilled there under that fire. Perfectly cooked char grilled corn on a cob. Very nice.
That is so weird. It's actually really crunchy. You know how you would just expect like a juiciness, and it is juicy, but the first bit is like crunch.
It's perfectly like char grilled.
We are in this kind of like square area right now where it's food everywhere. If you go to any of these alleyways, literally people will scream the menus at you. First of all, we just want to literally walk around, see what they have and decide what we wanted to get.
Very overwhelming welcome. We walk in and just imagine everybody from every store coming up with a menu. Come.
Yeah, it's just like, what?
When it comes to Mumbai street food, it's a very well-known food that you need to try, and that's called the Vada. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it's a sandwich with, I believe it's like a deep fried potato with some different chutneys and sauces in it. So we want to get our hands on one of those. Let's see if we can find one, and we want to find the best one. So
look at this audience.
What it is, yeah.
We have a massive audience.
Okay, so there's going to be a lot of street vendors here. People coming from every one of them saying and claiming that they have the best Vada pub. I need to be convinced. Let's go check them out.
Let's go find the best Vada pub in this area. So this is where the street food begins. As you can see, everybody's staring at us because they literally want to offer us food at every single corner. Like seriously, everybody's with the menus who right now just wants us to offer the food.
I want Vada pav. Vada pav.
Vada pav.
Vada pav.
Vada pav.
Yeah, Vada pav.
Vada pav.
Yeah.
Dahi puri, bel puri, sev puri.
Vada pav.
Vada pav.
Over there. Vada pav. Vada pav. Vada pav. Okay, we know what is this. They're trying to literally sell us different things, and we just want Vada pav.
We got a little shop here that specializes in Vada pav, so hopefully it's the best one here. Hello, sir.
Hello.
This is the best Vada pav here. Yeah. So you got your nice fresh bun here that they nicely toast. Of course, for me, no butter because I'm vegan. And then you have the sauces inside, which is you got this green kind of chili sauce here, and then you got your sweet tomato sauce combined together. And then here you have your potato vada, yeah? That's deep fried and crunchy, nice and hot. And inside this nice fresh bun, let's have a bite, yeah?
Slow bite. Very hot.
So I'm going to attempt trying this Vada pav with the sauce. They gave me like this nice sweet sauce apparently.
Sweet tomato.
Oh yeah, it is like sweet tomato.
Yeah.
The bun, it's like the freshest bun.
I know.
Honestly, it melts in your mouth. another street food dish that that we are trying right now, also vegan. It's called Bhaji.
So you got this kind of like a gravy here that's based on tomato, potato, capsicum. It's all put out together on the grill plate as you've seen. And it comes with 2 fresh buns that are toasted on the grill as well. And now you're gonna eat it with that.
It tastes like a curry sandwich. Literally. But the bun is so nice and fresh. So I think when you put tomato and onions, it gives that extra crunch as well. Very nice. It's nice. I believe this one is Pani Puri.
Pani Puri.
Are basically these little shells, and they have chickpeas inside and some sort of juice.
So firstly they put potato inside the shell, then they put I believe like a juice.
Chili.
Chili sauce with chickpeas.
Chili sauce with chickpeas, yeah? Medium one. And that is the final product. Yes. And now there's heaps of stuff here, but we're trying to stick to things we haven't tried. So obviously there's like fried rice and pizzas and all that, but we want to try new things.
So there is one thing that we haven't tried yet, and these are these icy drinks. I think they are called Gola.
Ice Gola.
Raspberry, pineapple, and the Musman is making them over here. So we're going to try a drink here. It's the ice Gola. Kalakata. It's a Pepsi flavor. Yeah, you want to try some?
Pretty much got like an iceberg on a stick, and then it's put the flavor on the menu is called Kalakata, which I believe is a Pepsi flavor, cola flavor. It's only cost us 50 rupees. So let's have a taste now, yeah? This would go good on a nice hot day.
It's like really sweet. It's basically like just drinking cola juice. So I'm pretty sure we tried all the foods that we actually came here to try. We tried the Gola drink, we tried the Vada puff, we tried the Bhaji, we tried the Pani Puri. It's a nice place. I would definitely recommend you coming here and trying some street food yourself in Juhu Beach. But we have to go home because Arella's getting tired. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And apart from that, I will see you soon. Subscribe to my channel and bye bye.